Here is how to become a Chowdeck champion and start earning on your own schedule. The first step is to submit an application form. Fill out the official Chowdeck rider sign up form. Then you will need to provide your full name, location, chosen type of vehicle, whether a bicycle, scooter, or motorcycle, and a valid means of identification, such as your NIN. Then don't forget, you must be at least 18 years old. Then you need to attend. The step 2 is to attend rider orientation. Once your application passes initial review, you'll be invited to an onboarding orientation session. This session covers Chowdeck's operational guidelines, order fulfillment workflows, safety standards, and payout structures. Step 3 is you have to verify your account and set up your jail. Provide your banking details for direct payout. Upload your profile picture and complete final identification. So you keep yourself with an official insulated delivery bag to keep others safe and secure during transit. Lastly, go online and start earning. Set your status to active whenever you're ready to work. Accept incoming delivery requests. Complete pickups and earn per delivery alongside available performance bonuses. Thank you for watching and stay safe on the road.